project and summarise what it's about.
Yeah, it's the child to adult team. We work with 0 to 25-year-olds with moderate to severe learning disabilities and or physical disabilities. The improvements for the families, and obviously particularly for the, I won't say child because he's a young adult, is outcomes. It's as simple as that.
We're in a position to be able to build relationships with the children and the parents that we support, perhaps more so than other teams that have age restrictions and people are moved across from one team to the next.
This is a letter I've received off one of our families when they were aware of the accolades. He wanted just to let us know how the project's impacted on the family. As a family, we've benefited massively from the project and our very supportive social worker, Becky, that's me. Our child has had a complex set of sometimes very specific needs, and with the help and support of the project team, we've had much needed adaptations to the family home, which have benefited him and given us much needed peace of mind around our son's safety. The reality is that without the support received, he would be in full-time residential care now, instead of his safe space, which he calls home, with his grandparents. I love this job because I think I'm one of life's fixers, and it gives me an inordinate satisfaction to see what needs to be done and then to be able to go out and get it completed. It is inordinately satisfying to see the outcome, the positive outcome for the young person.